Two systems right here. Disturbance 1. This is a big one. It brought lots of problems to Wisconsin and Illinois. Smaller disturbance. This is what brought our clouds and a little bit of moisture to parts of Kansas. In fact, yesterday, we're talking lots of tornadoes, lots of hail. This is yesterday in Illinois, up towards central Illinois, Peoria, Rockford, Bloomington area. There were big problems out there. Now that system has moved out.
With the forewarned storm teams, Aaron Brackett.
Well, certainly want to wish everybody a happy Father's Day out there. Can you believe it was 8 months ago that this happened? I took this little guy. He was 8 days old. We did the weather here at News Channel 4. It was such a cool thing to have him right by my side. And I figured, you know what? Why don't we do it again? A little bit bigger this time, you can see. There we go. Say hi. This is little Caden right here. Wanted to bring him on for Father's Day and do a little bit of weather with him. So we've got some clouds out there.
With the forewarned storm teams, Aaron Brackett.
We're in almost a week-long stretch where temperatures have been above normal, and today a lot of the state went below normal with a lot of 60s and even some 70s. Now as we head toward tomorrow, warming up again. So I thought it'd be kind of fun for Halloween to check out some interesting town names that we actually have here in the state. Sunshine coming in, a little bit breezy, but still our temperatures are rising up. There's Mike Morgan right there. He is in the background of our currents right now. We'll talk to him in just a little bit. 68 on the north side of OKC. Hi, Mike. How you doing? Hey, buddy. He gives a big thumbs up from Woodward, Oklahoma. All right, we'll pull those currents off Mike Morgan and talk to him in just a second. Ponca City, 70 degrees, Stillwater 70. You know, he's always checking up on me. I got to keep my act together because you never know when he's watching. That's the thing. He's right there. Okay, look out ahead of it. Developing hail core moving right toward the Woodward Metro. So obviously a big metroplex here. A lot of folks watching from Woodward tonight. And we want to track this large hail core with the potential for tennis ball sized hail as it moves into southwest Woodward. The mid-level spin, it enhances the hail rate. And you're actually seeing inside of that storm, this is the hail core. So hail getting lofted up and down. There are golf balls falling out of this, potential tennis balls out of this storm. So day or night rapid scan, we can see inside of this, let you know what's going on. Working its way towards Cheyenne. You want to take cover, take your precautions right there. Interior room, lowest level of your building away from windows. Farther off to the north, still in 3D mode. However, notice this, these storm cores, these hail cores, they're a lot lower. So a lot less of a hail threat near Woodward. You really dodged a bullet here. 30 to 45 minutes ago, big hail core was about 10 miles southwest of town. It was moving toward town. That has since calmed down.
Wide. I'm still seeing dust on the ground right now. So it is in contact with the ground right now. You're seeing it live here. Looks like it's getting ready to pick up one more time. So this would be touchdown number 5 here. Looks like touchdown number 5 is happening right now.
It continues to pulse down. We're going to keep our team of trackers out there watching this very carefully. And as Mark Dillard was talking about earlier, we had that brief funnel near Buffalo. Calm day here on Lake Hefner. No wind. The lake looks like a mirror. And let's take something to disturb that water right there. Of course, you get ripples, all right? It starts to ripple all along the lake. You get those waves. That's exactly the same thing that happens up above. We saw it out there today. This is one of our viewer pictures right here. Kevin Coughlin sent this in. You can see those rows with blue sky in between. So you have little waves.
Weather with the forewarned storm teams, Aaron Brackett.
Hope you're having a great weekend out there. Clear skies, warm temperatures, and green grass down here. This has certainly changed after a recent rainfall, kind of greening things up again. Temperature right now 93 as we slide into the evening, mostly clear skies. Dew point is still up there, 69, so we're feeling some humidity across the area, certainly across central Oklahoma. Southerly winds are a little gusty. On the broad scale, it's between about 12 to 14 miles per hour on the low side to 20 to 24 on the high side. And there are some gusts here, especially in central Oklahoma. You can see up near 30 miles per hour, 33 in Kingfisher. And we did have just enough energy, just enough dryness in parts of the area to spark a little grass fire. Let's go to some video here that we have just into the newsroom here. This is out near Morgan and Memorial. This is so far about 3 acres burned. The grass fire is still burning right now. Those winds are going to carry it off to the north-northwest very slowly. So in places like Piedmont, West Edmond, you're seeing and smelling that smoke right now, and a lot of crews out there working on it. Let's go live. Bob Moore, Chopper 4, also has this here. We're taking a look at all that smoke. You can see this is south. This would be north right here. So those winds that are gusty to about 30 miles per hour coming in from south, blowing that smoke. And there are some trees in the way. Some hay bales, we're told, are becoming engulfed in this fire. So far, though, no immediate structures in the way of that fire. But we're still watching these winds clocking in about 30 miles per hour with some of those gusts. So we're watching that here in the northwest side of the metro. Let's take a look up above our satellite view here. It does show very few clouds. It's been a lot of sunshine out there today. You can see wherever there's black on the map, there's nothing to take a picture of. Clouds show up as white. You can see a couple of them from Enid to Clinton, just a couple of fair weather cumulus, and no rain. No thunderstorms today. Nearest activity is in far eastern Oklahoma, and out in the Panhandle there are some showers. This is actually a small piece of energy. It's going to come in here a little bit later on tonight. So yes, there is a small chance for rain for some Oklahomans. Most of us do end up staying dry. And look off to the north. This is where the severe weather is. Severe thunderstorm warnings here in North Dakota. There were tornado warnings just about an hour ago. So that jet stream is far north of our state. Even so, little complex energy that we talked about in Colorado. Late tonight, this will try to come through northwestern Oklahoma. So Alva, Enid, Stillwater, up toward Kingfisher, even the north parts of OKC. If you hear a rumble of thunder or some rain out overnight, yeah, I wouldn't be too surprised as that rolls through. Then for tomorrow, lots of sunshine comes back into the picture, just a few clouds, and we start a hot pattern here through the middle of the week. So let's go through these temperatures here. Overnight tonight, mostly dry in OKC, 74 degrees. We add a couple degrees. We were 68 last night, so a couple degrees warmer overnight. Could be a quick thunder shower toward dawn. Here's your moderate and here's your low rain chances right here. That complex from Colorado comes overnight, and as it moves east, it does lose a lot of energy, so mid-70s for almost everybody. Tomorrow afternoon, we are dry almost statewide, 96 OKC, triple digits once again out to the west. And here's your Tuesday. A couple thunderstorms in the Panhandle cannot be ruled out. It is a mostly dry and a breezy day across Oklahoma, 100 in Clinton, 97 in OKC. Slight chance of an afternoon thunderstorm, but that is just 1 or 2 thunderstorms each day at the most. 7-day forecast does show up pretty warm here. Mid-90s continue Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, 20% chances, and next weekend, temperatures actually coming down a couple degrees. So we'll watch that activity in Colorado for late tonight. Not looking for anything widespread severe.
Okay, I like to see the 93 on the weekend.
Yeah, a little bit
That's
cooler
nice.
for us. That's
Every degree.
Every degree counts.
It
That's
sure
right.
does.
Yeah.
Thanks, Aaron.